In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu in Leadpages. By the end, you'll have a clean, modern drop-down that lets visitors choose a page and go straight to it, all built with the Leadpages AI builder, so you don't have to write code. First, open the page or template you want to work on in Leadpages and make sure you're in the editor. Look for the AI Builder panel. This is where you'll create a custom element using a simple prompt. The idea is to describe exactly what you want, then let the AI generate it for you. Here's the exact prompt to use. You can type or paste this into the AI builder. Create a custom drop-down menu element with a label, select an option. Include options for home, about us, services, and contact. When a user selects an option, they should be redirected to the corresponding page URL. Style the drop-down with rounded corners, a clean modern design, and make it mobile responsive. Give the AI a moment to process. It will return a custom element that includes your drop-down with the label and all 4 options. Add the element to your page where you want it to appear. Most people place it in the header or near the top of a section for easy access, but you can position it wherever it fits your layout. Next, connect each option to the correct page address. In the drop-down settings, replace the placeholder links with your actual URLs. Use your site's home, about us, services, and contact page links from your Leadpages dashboard or your domain. If your site uses relative paths, make sure they match your site structure so the redirects work smoothly. Take a moment to fine-tune the look. The prompt already requests rounded corners and a clean, modern design. But you can adjust colors, font size, and spacing to match your brand. Maintain good contrast between the text and background to keep the menu accessible. Now preview the page on desktop and mobile. On smaller screens, the drop-down should remain easy to tap and legible without zooming. If anything feels cramped, slightly increase padding or font size in the element settings. Finally, test each option. From the preview, pick Home, then About Us, Services, and Contact to confirm that each selection sends you to the right page. When everything looks and works the way you expect, save your changes and publish. That's it. Your new drop-down menu is live, styled, and mobile ready, created in minutes with a single, clear AI prompt.